All right, so this problem reads that Alex is standing on the ground 97 feet away from the base of a building. The angle formed by the ground and the line of sight to the top of the building is 56 degrees. And we have to calculate the height of the building to the nearest foot. All right, so Alex must be standing right here. And the base of the building would be right here. And this right here, x, represents the height of our building. And the hypotenuse of this right triangle represents the line of sight from the ground where Alex is standing to the top of the building. And we have to figure out which one of these trig ratios we have to use to figure out the height of our building here. And what we have to do is just use the information that's given. What they give us is a 56-degree angle right here. They give us the length of this leg right here, which is the distance from Alex, where Alex's feet are, to the base of the building. That's 97 feet. And we have to determine x. So we have to see what ratio that this leg of our triangle and this leg of our triangle represents in relation to this 56-degree angle. So if we take a look at side x here, we can see that is located opposite of our 56-degree angle. And we can see that this line right here would be considered adjacent. So when you have two lines that form the angle in question, one of those two angles is going to be adjacent. And because this line right here is the hypotenuse, this one by default must be the adjacent angle. So we have to see which of these ratios up here are created by using the opposite and adjacent lines in relation to this angle, which would be a tangent. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the tangent of 56 degrees, and we know that's going to be equal to our opposite over adjacent line segments, which in this case is going to be x over 97. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to isolate x. Because x is being divided by 97, we're going to multiply by 97 on both sides. So we're going to multiply this entire thing over here by 97. These 97s cancel out. And that leaves us with 97 multiplied by the tangent of 56 degrees. And that is going to be equal to x. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to bring up our calculator, and we're going to type into our calculator 97, and then we're going to multiply it by the tangent of 56 degrees and hit enter, and that is going to give us 143.8 approximately. And the problem is asking us to round to the nearest foot. So if we round this to the nearest foot, we would say that x is approximately equal to 144 feet.